Hello friends, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is my 62 day of 90 days English speaking challenge. So friends, today I am talking about the Govardhan Puja because tomorrow is the Govardhan Puja. So I want to share with you some important point about the Govardhan Puja. So just like it is also the Hindus festival and we also celebrated the Govardhan Puja. So it's also known as the Annakut. It means the mountain of the food. So it's also the important worship are there, and that day the Lord Krishna lifted the Govardhan hill on his little finger for the protection of the Gokul people, for the warmth of the Lord Indra. So it is also the god of the rain. So that's why, and this day we can, how can we celebrate the Govardhan Puja? So just like the Gokul's people always worshipped and the offers the worship the Lord Indra for the bring the rain for the crops. So that's why we can celebrate it. And so the Krishna said to the people, you don't just like worship it the Lord Indra, and inside of worship the Govardhan hill. So that day, so everybody accepted and also started the worship Govardhan hill. Then the Lord Indra also agreed, and also the angry feel it, and always the heavy rain provide the heavy rain for them punish. So that's why, and the Krishna protected the all peoples and lifted the Govardhan hill on his little finger. So and everyone protected it and give the shelter animals and the people. So that's why we can celebrate the Govardhan Puja. And just like us for the 7 days, he the Krishnas lifted the Govardhan hill on his little finger, and that day celebrated the Govardhan Puja. And also after 7 days, the Indra also accepted our mistake and also say to the ask for the forgiveness. So since then, the celebrated the Govardhan Puja that day. And that day people celebrated the Govardhan Puja because they remember the Krishna's protection for the people, and it's also the humanity and faith. That's why we celebrated the Govardhan Puja. So how can we celebrate the Govardhan Puja? So just like devotees prepare the many foods and many vegetarian dishes for provide the Lord Krishna, and also it's the important festival and everybody celebrated. And also the make the Govardhan hill also and use it the just like a cow drug. So that's why we can celebrate it and also maintain the Govardhan hill and just like a Govardhan Parvat and worship it, and as the decorate the flowers and many things do it for that, and also worship the Govardhan Parvat. And some people also the provide the aartis and many devotional songs are there. So these type of things use it and do it the Govardhan Puja, and you also do it the Govardhan Puja. It's also the good festival and everybody enjoy it. So okay friends, it's my today's content. I will upload next video, next important things tomorrow. Okay friends, bye bye and take care. You also enjoy the festivals.